Hello everyone, my name is Kannan. I'm a student and developer from Singapore. I'll be talking about how to use open source LLMs to make personalized education more accessible. So I want to take everyone in this room back to 1984. When Benjamin Bloom had enough data to plot the performance of students taught individually and in a conventional method. Students were taught individually outperformed vastly the students who were taught in a conventional method, where there was one teacher for every 30 students. In simpler terms, an average student from the one-to-one tutoring was better than 98% of the students taught in the conventional tutoring. But which brings us to the question, is AI really effective in tutoring? Because we don't want our children and students learning from a source which cannot even teach. Turns out researchers from Harvard used a custom-built AI agent and in-class active learning and compared the two results of the student performance in test. Students who used AI to learn vastly outperformed students who learned in class, and also they took lesser time, on average 50 minutes to learn, whereas students who learned in class took 60 minutes to learn. Teachers reported a 40% reduction in the time they spend in planning the lessons and 40% increase in satisfaction rate after delivering their lessons. Now, why not closed-source AI? I would be skipping this because of time, but it's mainly because of privacy issues and cost dependency, because we don't know how much AI is going to cost beforehand due to dynamic pricing and tokens. Now, the common word among developers is that open source AI models are dumber. I cannot use the word dumber, but not reliable compared to closed source AI models like ChatGPT and Gemini. While I agree with that, the base models of open source AI are not reliable. But according to the paper LoRaWAN published, they took 10 different open source AI models, which included lower parameter models like Mistral 7 billion parameters, and fine-tuned it across 31 tasks. So they got 310 unique fine-tuned LLMs, and I put some data up there. But on average, the best open source fine-tuned AI model outperformed GPT-4 by on average 10 points. Now, enough with technical, but what is Socratic tutoring? Conventional tutoring focuses on the teacher standing in the podium and lecturing the students, but Socratic AI tutoring does not tell students what to think, but how to think. And this is an example of Socratic tutoring. Here is a direct instruction tutoring, which would be the conventional tutoring when I ask an algebraic question, and the teacher just says, divide both the side by this number, add this number to both the side, and you'll find the value of x. But Socratic tutoring, on the other hand, would not give the direct answer, but would teach me through questions, such that I don't only answer that question, but also learn to answer such type, and even in some cases advanced questions. Now here in FOSSASIA, I would like to introduce a new architecture called glassbox learning architecture, in contrast to the black box LLM. So what happens when the student asks a question is that using retrieval augmented generation, it goes to VectorDB, where all the learning sources of all the students, example textbook, videos, and lectures would be vectorized and stored, and then there will be retrieval from that database, which goes to a fine-tuned Socratic tutor LLM, whose response would not be a direct answer to the student's query, but would be a question, like we saw in the previous example. Then there will be a guardrail check which is initiated, which would check that the response given by the tutor LLM is not a direct answer, but in fact a question. If it's a direct answer, it would go again to the Socratic tutor LLM, and this process would continue until a Socratic response are given. And then the main reason for calling this the glassbox architecture is that this entire process would be logged and stored, so that the teachers and the parents could see what their students and children are asking AI. And this is actually inspired from the Khanmigo app released by the Khan Academy, which is also an AI tutor. So thank you, everyone. If anyone would like to contact or connect with me, here are my socials. Thank you.